my god. Alright, enough with the slinging. Okay. Taking it back. Before we have it splattered on the ceiling.
It's all over the front of the stove.
Oh yeah. That's it, huh?
Good thing it's bath night.
Mmm.
Ooh. Totally just threw a big ball of it under the stove. Alright, so next time I decide I'm gonna scrub the floors, maybe I'm gonna keep the pumpkin carving idea to myself. Oh, look at his legs. Sebastian. Oh, he just tasted it. I don't think he's impressed.